Hey, how's it going everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a certified pre-owned 2019 C300 4MATIC. This one is a lunar blue metallic. Underneath the hood is a 2-liter 4-cylinder turbo with 241 horsepower and 273 pounds of torque. This one has 18-inch multi-spoke wheels. Silk beige MB text interior. Sunroof. Rear spoiler. C300 4MATIC badging. Clean set of floor mats. Comfort box for extra storage. Power liftgate. Premium 1 package with blind spot assist. Heated seats, aluminum trim, power windows, an LED logo which appears when you open the door. Illuminated door sills. Steering wheel controls with Bluetooth capabilities. Paddle shifters for extra performance. Push start ignition. Multimedia package with navigation with voice command. Backup camera. A natural grain gray oak wood trim. Dual climate controls, hard keys for media display. Touchpad wheel for infotainment center. Dynamic selects for different driving patterns. The C-Class has 23,828 miles. Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of the C300 4MATIC, check out feldmanimports.com.